Binance, we are pumping it to $1. Of course, Binance will continue to show that support. Binance believe that Luna is going to rise and is going to hit an unexpected price in the future, and they still want all Terra Classic community to keep on with the commitment, to keep on with the support, to keep on with the belief and trust they have for Terra Classic LUNC. But they believe that, look, we can achieve this dream together. Binance will never give up. We keep on supporting Terra Classic. That is why we'll keep on burning Terra Classic LUNC coin. And of course, they still remain the number one supporter. They remain the backbone. They remain the pillar of Terra Classic. Today, without Binance, Luna definitely is not going to be where it is. Without Binance, I believe Terra Classic would have been a forgotten coin by now. But because Binance have been burning, Binance have been supporting all the network upgrade. And look, $1, 10 cents, 1 cent, whatever price you want to see Terra Classic in the future is definitely possible if we all come together. Right now, Binance need more exchanges to keep on supporting this dream. Now, Kucoin, Crypto.com, Get.io, and most exchanges, they need to join hands with Binance in the area of burning Terra Classic in order to burn more coins. This is why I believe that they need to even increase the tax bond from 1.2% at least upward. They need to increase it so that we can destroy more coins, and of course, more burning needs to start coming from other exchange. At least let's set a particular date from all exchange, the day they will be burning. Like Binance, definitely every 1st and 2nd of every new month, you see Binance destroying, announcing have total coins they've actually burned from Terra Classic coin. Now imagine that Kucoin, imagine Crypto.com, imagine Get.io, imagine Bybit, imagine, okay, I mean, most of these top exchanges that have listed Luna, including Binance, burning same day, burning on the 1st of every month, burning on the 2nd of every month. In collection together, they announced this is the total amount Terra Classic must have destroyed. This will definitely give that hope. This will give that trust to new Terra Classic investors and to other investors that must have not invested on Terra Classic to start looking towards Terra Classic. They will see, I just wish if we can really do this, if these exchanges can really come together and start burning coins in just one day. If all the Terra Classic burn portals from Binance, from Lunatic Exchange, from Lunatic Token, to almost all of them, to Wells 88 and a lot of Terra Classic burn portals, because we have over 100. So I believe we have over 100, and even the top 100 have really burned a lot. So imagine all these burn portals and exchange burning same day and announcing the total amount they've destroyed same day. That vision, that hope can push Terra Classic price to hit over 30% in just one day. At the time of recording this, I know it's not easy for crypto industry or for Terra Classic, but this kind of announcement where all the exchanges are burning almost same time can push Terra Classic to massively increase in price. But for Binance, they believe on $1 is possible, they believe 10 cents is possible, they believe 1 cent is possible. Whatever one it may be, we are going to be making a lot of profit once this Terra Classic reaches that price. Another thing I also believe that Terra Classic coin need more. Terra Classic coin need to focus on the area of staking, and also need to focus on the area of broadcast, social media engagement. I mean, these days people don't talk more about cryptocurrency, not to talking about Terra Classic. A lot of people don't talk more about other coins like Ethereum, Binance, BNB. They will see that the popularity of these coins have really dropped. Even the popularity of cryptocurrency and BTC have really dropped out there in the market. Okay, now not to talk of some coins that are yet well known, coins like Terra Classic. Except these coins carry out social media engagement, like running advert on YouTube, running advert on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Google, on different blogs and websites, and running advert on TV stations and radio stations. Believe me, it is going to work for Terra Classic like the way it worked for Floki Inu. Floki Inu did it and it worked for them perfectly. And I believe Ethereum Classic need to do something similar or something the same. It's going to push this coin to really increase in price. Whatever we just say here, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Thank you. Thank you.